2025, United States, October 14. This is a delta valve shower leaking, and there's a coal. You see this screw here on the wall plate on the bottom too. This is the hot side, the arrow toward that, counterclockwise. And this Allen wrench, ALLEN, is the 3/32. The one sticks up. See this one that sticks up? Go into this hole. Let's remove the handle first. It's a 3/32 Allen wrench. .332 Allen wrench to remove the Allen wrench nut on a delta shower faucet. So this thing is the handle that hides it from, or seals it from leak or damage that cause the corrosion, like calcium buildup.